Ever witnessed a comedy show ignited by firework mayhem? Up in the night sky, a spectacular firework display takes an unexpected, absurd turn. Comedians on site decide to capitalize on the pyrotechnic chaos, spinning jokes about misfired rockets and accidental flares. As explosions tint the sky in vibrant colors, performers craft impromptu acts, mimicking the blaze of hilarity. A standout moment unfurls as a burst rocket lands. Unfazed comedians parody it with exaggerated expressions, eliciting roars from onlookers. The event crescendos in a comedic symphony of laughter and light, making it unforgettable.